Renovated and energy-efficient beautiful cape. Relax in the living room with a fieldstone fireplace. The main floor has an open dining area, leading to the granite kitchen, with large island. Included in the chef's kitchen are upgraded stainless steel appliances. There is a first-floor bedroom, full bath with laundry area and deluxe front-load washer and dryer that are included. There are 2 large bedrooms on the second floor, and a full bath. Hardwood floors, multi-zoned air conditioner and new carpets throughout the house. The finished basement has a full bath and a bar, which make a wonderful family room, and great for entertaining. There is a utility room with energy-efficient tankless hot water heater, and upgraded utilities. New composite deck, and stone patio for your summer barbecues, or enjoy the tranquility of 0.75 acres that abuts conservation land, a storage shed, full irrigation system, and new outside shower complete a private yard, with lovely perennial flowers. A private location at the end of a cul-de-sac, minutes to golf, boat.